Okay, so welcome to Study Gap. So in the last video, we have learned about NAND gate and NOR gate and constructed their two tables. So today our topic is XOR gate and XNOR gate, and we are going to construct the truth table of XOR and XNOR gate. Okay, so you can see on the screen there are two gates, which is this one is called XOR gate and this one is called XNOR gate. So first come to the XOR gate. So if we take A and B as an input, so at the output you will get A bar B plus A B bar. So this can be written as A XOR B. Okay, let's next come to the construction of the table. So A B are the two inputs and Y output 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So our expression is y equals to a complement b plus a b complement. So for the first combination, which is 0 0, so you need to put the value of a as 0 and b as 0 into this equation. So putting this value, so 0 complement 0 plus 0 dot 0 complement. So complement of 0 is 1 dot 0 plus 0 dot complement of 0 is 1 again. So 1 dot 0 is 0 plus 0 dot 1 is 0. So the answer is 0. So that's why you will get 0 here. Similarly, for the next combination, which is 0 1. So if we put the value of 0 1 into this equation, like so here a equals to 0 and b equals to 1. So complement of 0 dot 1 plus 0 dot 1 complement. The complement of 0 is 1 dot 1 plus 0 dot complement of 1 is 0. So you will get 1 plus 0, which is 1. So for this combination 0 1, you will get 1 here. Similarly, for this next two combination, you will get 1 and 0 respectively. Next, come to our next gate, which is XNOR gate. Okay, so this is our XNOR gate. So if we take A and B as an input, so at the output terminal you will get A bar or A complement dot B complement plus A B. So this can be written as A XOR B complement or A XNOR B. Now let's make the truth table for it. So A and B as an input and Y as output. So the combination is 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. So in this case our expression is y equals to a complement b complement plus ab. So first, if we take this combination, which is 0 0, so put value a equals to 0 and b equals to 0. So means a equals to 0 here and b equals to 0. So 0 complement dot 0 complement plus 0 dot 0. So the complement of 0 is 1 and the complement of 0 is 1 again, plus 0 dot 0 is 0. So you will get 1 dot 1 1 plus 0, which is 1. So here for this combination you will get 1. Similarly, for the next three combination you will get 0 here. In the next video we are going to learn about 0, NAND and NOR gate as universal gate. Okay, thanks for watching. If you have learned something new, Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Keep exploring with StudyGap. Bye.